What's up, YouTube? This is MV Royalty and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to make a grapefruit and honey tea, which is essential for fighting colds. Stick around and I'll explain why. So the first thing you want, I've got my ingredients here. I've got Golden Harvest honey here. I've got one whole grapefruit here. And what I'm gonna do is cut this grapefruit into 4 pieces. So there you have it. You have the grapefruit cut up into 4 pieces. The next thing I will do is put it into a pot, and I will load up the grapefruit into the pot. So you guys, you wanna use approximately 2 cups of water for this part. And that is what it looks like in the pot. All right. So the next thing you want to do is you want to put your pot over medium heat, and you would like to bring these grapefruit to a slight boil. All right, I'm back, family and friends, and I have my coffee mug available here. It says, "I will walk by faith even when I cannot see." 2 Corinthians 5 and 7. All right, so use this to strain. So I only use 2 cups, so actually I'm going to pour the entire 2 cups into my mug. Here's what your tea will look like. All right, family and friends, this is the last part of making our grapefruit tea. So you see here, I've got the honey. So it's recommended that you use approximately 2 teaspoons of raw honey. So I will do that now. All right. Now, the second ingredient I have here is powder vitamin C. As you know, vitamin C is very, very good along with zinc for immune system boosting when you are ill with a cold, flu, any type of illness. So approximately 1 scoop equals 1,100 grams. It should be noted here that oral vitamin C powder is highly bitter. I'm going to use 1 scoop, as you can see, in here to my powder. And I'm going to give it a stir once again. And this is how you make, I'll show you this finished product. 1 cup of grapefruit honey and vitamin C tea. If you have enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more homeopathic videos to come on how to remedy illness at home and potentially stay away from the doctor's office for acute illness. Stay tuned. This is MV Royalty. God bless you, and I'm out.